ICL is proud to introduce its new biodegradable release technology, the eqo.x, for granular fertilizers such as AgroMaster and AgroCoat. Once the fertilizer is applied to the soil, moisture penetrates the eqo.x coating, reaching the nutrient core. The core starts to dissolve and nutrients are released into the root zone. Day by day, the nutrient solution is released through the biodegradable coating in a controlled manner that fits crop needs, while the coating fully degrades. ICL's patented solution for a sustainable future is ready now. eqo.x.